Hello everyone, welcome to Montenegro. I'm Gordana from Amphora Real Estate Agency and today I will present you this luxury villa. The villa has 230 meters square and is built on the land of 417 meters square. And right now we are in front of this infinity swimming pool that has this amazing sea view. The villa is not finished inside and as you can see it is still in gray phase. Therefore the buyer will have the opportunity to furnish it and equip by himself. The villa has 3 levels and right now I am on the highest level, which has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 terraces with this wonderful view. Now we are on the ground floor with a huge living room and kitchen area. From the living room there is an exit to the swimming pool. On the lowest floor there is a large space that can be used for multiple purposes such as gym, spa or cinema. The price of the villa is 650,000 euros and it represents a great opportunity for investment, as the value will go higher and higher because we are in the neighborhood of future luxury complex Smokva Bay. If you would like to become the owner of this amazing villa, contact the Amphora Real Estate Agency.